everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a special halwa made of banana, a very healthy recipe again. So for this we need to have banana. You can have any type of banana. You can also have chiquita or the Kerala banana, jaggery, ghee, nuts and coconut cut into pieces. Also milk. So let's find out how are we going to make it. So for that, first we are going to cut the banana into pieces, and I'm going to add little bit of milk and just make it to a thick paste. I'm going to grind it to a thick paste. See, now you can see it has become, I have made it into a smooth and thick paste. In another saucepan I'm going to melt jaggery. For that I'm going to add a little bit of water, half a cup of water into the saucepan, and I'm going to melt the jaggery. The taste of the jaggery will give the halwa a very yummy taste. So here the jaggery is getting melted. So this we are going to add to the halwa. For the sweetness, you don't need to add sugar. If you want to get the real nice taste, better you add jaggery. So here the jaggery have melted, as you can see. After you melt the jaggery, you can keep it aside for it to cool. The jaggery has been melted, and you also have to, don't forget to strain it, so that if there is any unwanted things in the jaggery, that will be like any sediments or anything, it will be taken away. So better you strain the jaggery. In another pan, let's heat the pan, and we are going to roast the cashew nuts. I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of ghee, and we are going to roast the cashew nuts in this ghee. If you want to add less ghee, it depends on you. I have taken 3 teaspoons of ghee here, and we are going to roast the cashew nuts now. You can use almonds also, it will also taste good. Here I have taken cashew nuts. Most of the children are hesitate to eat nuts. Nuts are really good for brain development, so you can give the children in the form of a different form, so that they eat it and they get the nutrients in, like, without them knowing that they're eating something that they don't like. So I have roasted the cashew nuts till they become golden brown. Don't over roast it, making it darker. It's better to have a light brown color, then only the taste of the cashew nuts will be really good and crunchy. Now into that I'm going to add the cut piece of coconut. Now the coconut will also have a crunchy effect on the halwa. So I'm going to roast the coconut till it becomes brown in color. Here you can see this is the same ghee. I'm going to see the coconuts have become brown in color. Now let's take it strained from the oil and keep it aside. Yes. These are very simple recipes that you can very well try at home, and children are also going to love it. We all are locked up at home, so it's good to try such good simple recipes which are affordable for you. Now I am going to add that banana paste that I have made. See the consistency, it should be thick, it shouldn't be that watery, it should be this thick. I'm going to add it into the ghee. I'm going to add the whole. I've taken here 2 bananas. It's a paste of 2 bananas here. You can take accordingly to how many members of your family you have. It can be taken accordingly. Now I have added to the ghee, and I'll just keep stirring it so that it doesn't get stick to the pan. So you have to keep stirring it, because it is banana, it can get stuck to the pan if you increase the flame. So keep it on a low flame and keep stirring so that it doesn't get stick to the pan. So don't move away, just keep stirring. This is going to be a very yummy halwa, so you won't regret any time wasted. So just stir, and you can see that it is turning into a thick mold kind of. So keep on stirring. This is similar to how you make mawa for gulab jamun. This is the way that the mawa turns out into when you heat the milk powder on a low flame. Now keep on stirring so that it doesn't get stuck. Now I am adding the jaggery which we melted. Here you go, the jaggery. Jaggery gives the sweetness to the halwa, and it is really a nice taste that comes when jaggery is being added. So now nicely stir so that the banana gets well mixed with the jaggery and it becomes completely mixed and brown in color. Now it's partially mixed. Now it's getting mixed completely. Here you can see, keep on stirring and the jaggery is well mixed into the banana mix. So keep the flame on low. Don't increase the flame so that it gets burnt. Now add nuts to it, the roasted nuts and coconuts to it. I am adding the roasted nuts and coconut and keep on stirring. Once you keep on stirring, it will. You can also add a little more ghee. If you feel that the ghee is less, you can see that as you keep on stirring, it gets apart from the pan. It doesn't get stick and it just goes apart from the pan. So you have to keep on stirring until you get a gel like of consistency. So just keep on stirring and here you go, it's ready. The banana halwa is yummy ready, and you can also keep it in the fridge and freeze it, and you can also eat it in this way. It is very tasty. So please do try at home and make sure you like, subscribe and share this channel and share this recipe with your friends. So till next time, we see you with a different recipe. See you. Tata. Goodbye.